Many of us, at some point in our lives, experienced the awe and wonder of staring into the vastness of the cosmos and asking ourselves, where did all of this come from? What does it mean? What is my place in it? We have been asking these questions since the ancients first raised their eyes to the heavens. As cultures across the world grappled with these fundamental questions, hundreds upon hundreds of philosophies and religions emerged. Today, as in the past, we seek our answers through a variety of lenses. Among these are the practices of religion and of science. At their core, they are two different languages attempting to know and understand the mysteries of our world.